What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be talking about just crazy things that I see in my job here at Maserati, kind of some life updates. And speaking of crazy things, right here in front of me is an MC20. It's a little dark outside, but yeah, you can still tell that this car looks crazy. We have MC20 here, hollowed carbon body. This is the cello trim, Cielo. Boom. Look at that thing. I swear, at my job, I just see crazy cars every single day. Like, it's just crazy. Look at this thing. Sorry that the light's in the way. Right here, you have a Turbo S, just sitting here. And if you think this is crazy, watch this. Boom. Just a 911 GT3 RS. Brand new from the factory. This is the kind of things that I see all day, every day. I love my job. I love cars. Carbon right there. I love cars. So be able to see cool stuff like this is just like, it's sick, bro. Look at that thing, man. That's the dream car. I want this car one day. Hopefully I'll have it. So boom. Sitting right in our front lot, we have a V8 bi-turbo 2024 Mercedes G Wagon AMG. Look at this thing, man. It's just class. Very classy. Going for $250,000 right now. Hopefully I sell it. You get a nice, decent profit, but looks good. Looks good. Big old rim, big old tires, all that good stuff. So let's go. Oh, well, this guy is on a Harley, but let's go check out some more cool cars. All right, so now we're taking the golf car because we're going to go back to the parking garage. There's the MC20 again. It's kind of dark. I know you guys can't really see. Don't worry, we're going to go somewhere where there's better lighting. GT3 RS over there. Ugh. So now I'm back at the detail area where they detail the cars, all that kind of stuff. But in order for us to go to the parking garage, we're gonna go right here. Ugh. But yeah, I like my job. I like everything. I like the people. The money pays well. Easily make six figures here. So there's M3 Competition right there. A couple BMWs. You know how it is. A dusty M8 that needs to be cleaned, but probably never will be. A little scat pack. So no, the car that I wanted to show is not this M8, but it's this beautiful blue Audi I8 V10 right here. Look at that thing. That thing is just crazy. Look at this thing. Carbon everywhere, man. Everywhere there's carbon. Yeah, this thing is just beautiful. Michelin tires, V10 engine. This is the dream car. It's like even exposed carbon there. Sexy car. All right, let's go to the next one, guys. Yeah, Mustang Dark Horse right here. Jaguar F-Pace. With the two cool car, even a Taycan right there. They're common here. This is not common in most places, you know, just sitting two G Wagons right next to each other. That's pretty badass in my opinion. And right there is a Z06. Pretty sure that's a 2LT. Not 1000% sure. Yeah, there's just a bunch of crazy cars. Like, you just look around and you see crazy things everywhere here. A bunch of BMWs. This is like the way to store their cars at. But no one's buying them. It's kind of why they're sitting up here. There's so many of them. It's just like, I don't know. I have BMW, I love BMW, but I feel like they make too many. Ugh. And a lot of times they just sit. You got some Toyota right there, repping the Supra. Carbon fiber all over that thing. Looks good in my opinion. What else we got? Some more Beamers. Ooh, that Mercedes. Some Macans here. BMWs. Let's go down and look at some more cars, guys. I know a spot. Oh, actually, you got a Corvette right here. You got a little Corvette right here. Look at that thing. My coworker actually just bought a Corvette today, and it has like the red interior, the 70th anniversary carbon seats, all that stuff. But let's go to more cars, and I'll show you guys the rest of the cool things. You guys are gonna like this next one. Besides that Shelby, you're gonna like this next car, I promise. Check out this Cadillac. This thing looks like a Batmobile on wheels. So menacing. Look at that thing. It's like a glossy black. Yeah, this is a Range Rover. It keeps all the full size Range Rover, all that stuff, the Defenders. You got a BMW Alpina right here. Looks badass. It's low to the ground. It's meant for the aerodynamics, the engine, all that kind of stuff. Let's go to some more cars, guys. Right there, you got a Turbo S, a Carrera, and a Boxster. Basically showing their lineup. Even some 2 Taycans right there as well. And to make it all better, oops, this might hurt. Ooh, to make it all better, you got a Cybertruck right there. Just sitting pretty. So, let's go in the showroom with my Maserati store and I'll show you guys some of those cars. They are for sale, so if you guys are interested, let me know. We got MC20 and a Maserati Trofeo for sale. MC20, it's for sale, brand new. Should exposed carbon, hollow carbon in the hole. The car's gonna full hollow carbon. You have a carbon rear diffuser, front lip, side skirts. Even the engine cover is in carbon. And then you have the Trofeo. This thing is absolutely just beautiful. Red interior. Beautiful car. Look at that interior. There's even carbon in there as well. You got a little 911 standing over there. Honestly, that's like the next dream car that I want. Either a 911 or Aston Martin Vantage. Maybe even a C8. I'm not 100% sure what I want, but I guess that'll be in a few months. Got a beautiful M3 comp right here. It's an M4. No, I was right. It's an M3. Actually, I know my cars at least. Look at that thing. Carbon roof in that thing. Red interior. Got the spoiler on it. Carbon too. It's a beautiful car. Also, I was gonna say, like, on the list of Audi I8 right there. Or sorry, BMW I8, what am I saying? Also, I was saying on my list of cars, it's probably gonna, I might throw an M4 comp in there. I like the way it looks. So we'll see. We'll see in a few months what I get. Sounds pretty good to me. Get the double Cybertruck going on. That's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Little Defender right there. Porsche has a 90. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so eventually your boy can, just do YouTube full time. That's my goal in life. So hope you guys enjoy this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know down in the comments below once again what your favorite car was. Mine's definitely gonna be the Audi I8. I'm actually getting it right now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.